Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains an absolutely new, beautiful and creative ideas of hand embroidery, and this would be an absolute treat for you who are in search of looking very beautiful patterns of embroidery but they want to design their dresses, shirts, gowns, even blouses in a unique way. So guys, this is the right platform and right video which you are watching or searching for. Guys, in this video I am sharing a beautiful collection of sleeves designs that could be in the form of border embroidery, that could be in the form of very beautiful floral bunch, floral motifs, and different type of other patterns of sleeve designing ideas. So you can also make these patterns onto your summer dresses, winter, any type of mid fabric season as well. All of these designs are creative and unique and they give a very beautiful look to the wearer, and a decency and uniqueness are at its peak when you will try the absolute patterns along with the exact color combinations which are being shown in the video to you. So guys, you can also use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto making your hemline, back motif, and different type of other dress designing also. Our today's video is divided into two parts. That is, first part contains a very beautiful and highly creative, mesmerizing designs of sleeve embroidery, and the second part contains very beautiful designer style patterns of side hemline borders, like side floral, beautiful motifs, center panels, or a side Chak, Daman, beautiful embroidery, floral designs as well. So, massive and creative designs are a beautiful way to make your own designer style dresses. On my channel, you can get all type of amazing, beautiful, and stylish, trendy ideas related to hand embroidery, hand art, thread work, and beautiful patterns of hand art as well. So, before going into the further details of that, I have a simple request that please don't go without subscribing my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then please don't subscribe only. But while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And one more thing, guys, if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices as well because subscribers are very important. Keep supporting us, keep loving us. And in the comment section, don't forget to leave comments that which design you like the most and why. And if you really, really appreciate our ideas and design efforts, then do comment below the comment section that which design you tried and what were your experiences while designing that pattern of beautiful embroidery. So guys, with this, I hope you have get all type of amazing and trendy ideas. To give the dress, to give the designs more beautiful and sleek look, you can make use of silky threads as well. Even you can also use silk fabric to make these patterns. A quick recap of the massive, beautiful floral patterns of designs which you can use for making very beautiful dresses of your own, and you can join and enjoy your summer with a full swing of style, decency, and delicacy. So, with this, allow me to leave, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. You can also design very beautiful dresses of baby girls, baby frocks by using these floral motifs as you are seeing on your screens. Stay blessed.